Welcome to a demonstration of how to search databases using a limited-range spectral search. Using a limited-range spectral search is slightly faster because fewer points are needed for computation. Using a limited range also focuses a spectral search on feature-rich areas such as the fingerprint region below 1500 wave numbers, and can be used in place of spectral subtraction by ignoring regions where impurities have peaks. We begin by configuring a spectral search in the SearchIt application. IR databases have already been selected for searching. Selecting an IR spectral search automatically displays an open dialog box. The spectrum opens on the IR Spectrum tab. Using the Include Range feature allows us to set one or more ranges to be included in a spectral search. This feature is primarily used on a per-search basis. Although the ranges set using this method will be remembered until they are changed, the ranges are not permanently saved. To select a range or ranges to use in a search, move the cursor into the Include Range bar at the bottom of the spectrum. The cursor will change to a double pipe with a plus sign next to it. Setting a range works the same as zooming on a spectrum. While in the Include Range bar, move the cursor to the high side of the range, then click and drag to the low side of the range. Releasing the mouse sets the range. The range to be included in the search is highlighted in green. Additional ranges may be set by repeating the process. Entire ranges may be adjusted by shifting to the left or right. Move the cursor into the Include Range bar in a green area. Click and drag to move the region. Releasing the mouse sets the new range. To remove a region completely, click and drag the region away from the spectrum window. Either endpoint of a region may also be adjusted. Move the cursor into the Include Range bar and position the cursor over an endpoint. The cursor changes to a cross with a double arrowhead. Click and drag to create a new endpoint. We can also use the Search Mask dialog to create include ranges for searching. Click Manually Edit Mask Ranges. The Search Mask dialog opens. The lower half is used to define include ranges, and any include ranges already created are displayed. If no include ranges exist, Use Full Range must be unchecked before include ranges can be defined. We can redefine the existing range by typing in new endpoints. Click in the High Range text box and type in a new value. Then repeat the process for the low range. Click Add to create another include range. Type in the high range endpoint value, then click in the low range column to type in that value, then press Enter. Additional ranges can be added, and existing ranges can be edited or removed. Click OK when you are satisfied with your choices. The new ranges are displayed on the spectrum. Click Search to perform the limited range spectral search. This concludes our demonstration of how to perform a limited range spectral search in the KNOWITALL informatics system.